Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from Brain League Learning. Today we will learn integration by parts, an essential method for integrating products of functions. The idea comes straight from the product rule of differentiation. The differential form of the product rule says d of u v equals u dv plus v du. Now integrate both sides to connect differentiation to integration. Rearrange to isolate the integral of u dv, and we get the integration by parts formula. Here, u and dv are your choices, and v is the antiderivative of dv, while du is the derivative of u times dx. A common question is, how do we choose u and dv? A helpful memory aid is the ILATE guideline. Logarithmic, inverse trig, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. Typically, choose u from earlier in this list and leave the rest to dv. Let's build a quick diagram to visualize the pieces. On the left, choose u, differentiate to get du. On the right, choose dv, integrate to get v. These four parts plug into the formula. Integral of u dv equals uv minus integral of v du. Example 1. Integrate x times e to the x with respect to x. By LIATE, choose u equals x since algebraic comes before exponential, and choose dv equals e to the x dx. Differentiate u to get du equals 1 dx. Integrate dv to get v equals e to the x. Now plug into the formula. Integral of u dv equals uv minus integral of v du. That becomes x e to the x minus integral of e to the x times 1 dx, which simplifies to x e to the x minus e to the x plus c. Example 2. Integrate natural log of x with respect to x. We can treat this as a product by taking u equals natural log of x and dv equals dx. Differentiate u to get du equals 1 over x dx, and integrate dv to get v equals x. Now the formula gives x times natural log x minus integral of x times 1 over x dx, which simplifies to x natural log x minus x plus c. To summarize, the steps for integration by parts are: 1. Choose u and dv wisely, often using LIATE. 2. Compute du and v. 3. Plug into the formula. Integral of u dv equals uv minus integral of v du. 4. Simplify and repeat integration by parts if needed. With practice, your choices become intuitive and the integrals become manageable.